Hi everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. This is the first video of our DSA in JavaScript series. Today we will learn what are data structure, what and why are they important. So first, let's talk about data. Data is everywhere in programming, number, text, images, even videos. But if we do not manage data properly, it becomes a big mess. So that's why we need data structure, a smart way to store and organize data. Now, what exactly are data structure? In simple words, a data structure is a way to store, organize, and manage data. So it can be used it easily and efficiently. Think of it like a container. Different container have different roles. For example, a stack of plates in a canteen versus a row of seats in a bus. Both are container but arranged differently. Now let's make it even simpler. Imagine you have books at home. If the books are scattered randomly, it is very hard to find the one you want. But if you keep them in library style arrangement, maybe alphabetically or by subject, or it becomes super easy to find, update, or even remove a book. That's exactly what data structure do for our data. They make it organized and easy to use. Now, you may ask, why are data structures so important? Well, there are a few reasons. First is the efficiency. With the right data structure, you can access and update data much faster. And second is the scalability. If your app grows and has a lot of data, you can still manage it without slowing down. Third is the reusability. Many data structure are standard and we can reuse them in different projects. And finally, problem solving. Most algorithms like searching, shortest path, sorting are built on the top of data structure like trees and graph and stack and queue and many more. So basically, if you want to become a good programmer, you must understand data structure. Now, let's see where data structure are used in real life. Search engine like Google and use trees and graph to index and find website. Social media platform use graph to represent your friends and followers. Navigation apps like Google Maps uses graphs to find the shortest path. Compiler and database uses stacks and trees to parse code and manage queries. And even simple apps like Microsoft Word or Notepad use stack and queue for undo or redo operation. So basically they are everywhere in real life examples. Now data structures are of two main types, primitive data structure and non-primitive data structure. So primitive data structure, these are the basic building block like integer, floats, characters and pointers. And non-primitive data structure are linear into two types like linear and non-linear. First one is the linear, is the array, string, linked list, stack, queues, and non-linear data structure is the trees, graphs, hash tables. So we will learn each one of these step by step in this series with example in JavaScript. So the key takeaway from this video is the data structure are the foundation of computer science. They decide whether your solution is fast or grow. And if you want to master algorithm, you first need to master data structure. So in the next video, we will start with the simplest data structure, arrays in JavaScript. We will see how array work and then move to VS Code for coding examples. So that is for this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to JDCodebase. Stay tuned because this series will make DSA super easy for you in just 5 to 10 minutes per video. Let's master DSA in JavaScript together.